Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome again with English Core Academy, Mr. Ahmed Abdelati for IGCSE students and all students through grades 6 to 12. Today's lesson is about semi-formal, informal idioms, dramatic and topic-related expressions. Before we start, you should consider the aforementioned 9 rules of informal register, the examples of formal and informal words and expressions, examples of each part of letter or email. If you are not quite sure about them, you might like to watch the previous videos again. Students usually use idioms and dramatic expressions in their semi-formal or informal writing to describe. The more accurate they use idioms in description, the higher band they got. To make sure you achieve high band not only in IGCSE exam but also in almost all other exams, your level of vocab and grammar should be high. Today, I'll provide you with a series of lessons addressing these types of vocab, which definitely will help you with the vocab section. Some students ask me, Mr. Ahmed, in which tasks shall I use them? You might like to use them in the IGCSE OL level, in article and informal letter or email. Also, you can use them in Oxford AQA and blog and description and many other tasks. Let's now go to section 1, which is color. Look at the spelling of the word color, S-C-O-L-O-U-R, and this is the British one. The American, C-O-L-O-R. So whenever you see both versions, both are correct. Let's start with number 1, which is gray existence. When someone is gray existence, that means he is leading a dull, monotonous life. For example, I feel sad for the old man who seems to have such a gray existence. In the pink of health. You are in an excellent physical condition if you are in the pink of health. For example, Samir looks in a pink of health after going to the gym. Red carpet, to give special treatment to an important visitor. For example, the president is going to roll out the red carpet to the national team after winning the cup. See red. Suddenly become very angry or annoyed. Racism of any kind makes me see red. Green with envy. A person who is very envious. He doesn't like the good for the other people. For example, the Reds, Liverpoolians, went green with envy when they saw Real Madrid wins the cup. And we all saw this before. Show one's true colors. This means their behavior reveals their true nature and qualities. For example, during COVID-19 crisis, we saw some people's true colors. Browned off. It means to get bored or fed up or disheartened. For example, the new employee browned off with his job because of the pressure he has. Off color. Look or feel ill. What's the matter with Mr. Ahmed today? He looks off color. Some students ask me this question and I become a little bit ill, so they understand it. Out of the blue. When someone is out of the blue, that means this thing happens very unexpectedly. For example, our national team was about to give up in the final when out of the blue, Mo Salah scored the victory goal. Once in a blue moon. It means happens rarely. I don't know why he bought the camera. He uses it once in a blue moon. Feel blue. To have feelings of deep sadness or depression. For example, let's go and see Amir. He must feel blue after his loss. Black and white. It means that there is a written proof of it, that there is a proof about the things you are showing, if it's a black and white. For example, it's in black and white in your contract. You must do it. To make sure you understood the meaning of each expression and idiom, you might like to practice writing each first in a sentence of your own. Second is to write each topic words in a paragraph of your own. For example, today's lesson is about colors. So you might like to write a paragraph or even an article using such expressions to make sure you understand everything about it. Thanks for watching. And for any consultancy, support, or Zoom online classes, you can contact Mr. Ahmed on Facebook page, English Core Academy, or my personal email. The Academy email is englishcoreacademy@gmail.com. Thank you and goodbye.